Welcome back to the WordPress Download Manager tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the password lock feature in WordPress Download Manager. The password lock feature helps protect your downloadable files by requiring users to enter a valid password before they can access the download. Before we begin, make sure that WordPress Download Manager is already installed and activated on your WordPress website. Now, let's get started. Open an existing download package or create a new one. Inside the package settings, navigate to the Lock Options tab. From the available lock types, select Password Lock. Once you select it, the password lock settings will appear. To generate secure passwords automatically, click the blue Generate button. A password generator modal window will open. Here, you can specify the number of passwords you want to generate and the length of each password. Let's set the number of passwords and choose the desired password length. Next, select the password strength based on your security requirements, then click Generate. As you can see, the password has been generated. If you're not satisfied with the generated password, simply click Generate Password again until you get one that meets your needs. Once you're happy with the result, click Insert Password. The generated password will automatically be added to the package password list. If you prefer, you can also create your own custom passwords manually, like this. To add multiple custom passwords, simply enter each password following the same format shown here. You can also set a password usage limit per user, allowing you to control how many times each user can use a password. If needed, you can reset the password usage count at any time using the Reset Password Count option. Once everything is configured, click Update or Publish to save your changes. Now let's see how it works on the front end. Open the download page and click the Download button. A password prompt will appear. Enter the valid passwords and click to submit. Once the correct password is entered, then users can access the files. For incorrect password, it will show a wrong password message. And that's how you can easily secure your downloads using the password lock feature in WordPress Download Manager. Thanks for watching.